If you're trying to install Chess mobile app by JP Morgan Chess, but you are getting this error, can't install Chess mobile app from Google Play Store, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store if you are on your Android smartphone and find Play Store. From Play Store, make sure you are logged in before you try to install your app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then you need to check your network settings. For that, just go to this profile icon on your account and then head to settings. Under settings, look for this option network preferences, and if you tap on network preferences, look for this option app download preference. Currently you can see it is set to over Wi-Fi only, which means if I'm using mobile data, I might not be able to download and install this app from Play Store. So change this to over any network and then tap OK. And now go try to install your app, and this should have fixed your problem. However, if you still can't, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot this app. To do that, you need to access Play Store app info page, and you can do that through settings. But the shortcut method is just to long press on your app, and then you can see we have app info. If you don't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear here, or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, first go to forced stop. This will stop any processes that might be running in the background and thus hindering your download processes. And then we need to clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Google Play Store. And of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, tap on clear data down below and then tap on clear cache and finally OK. At this point, you will need to restart your smartphone and now come back to your Google Play Store and then search your app. So I'll tap on search to activate search, and now I'll search for Chess mobile like that. And now let's go try and see if we can install. So if I open it and try to install, now you can see I can download and install this app. However, if you still have a challenge installing it, then maybe you have no free space. For that, you'll need to free up space on your smartphone by uninstalling unnecessary or unused apps or files such as images and videos from your storage. Clear app trash and try to install your app. So by following these steps, now you should be able to download and install your Chess mobile banking app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.